Today, we've got some fantastic news for fans of Samsung's foldable phones, particularly the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 6. There was a recent scare about a potential downgrade, but fear not, it appears to be a big misunderstanding. Earlier this week, a leak surfaced that seemed to show the official spec sheet for the Z Flip 6. Shockingly, it listed the cover display as using IPS LCD technology instead of the usual AMOLED. Needless to say, this caused a stir among foldable enthusiasts, as AMOLED is generally considered superior due to its deeper blacks, richer colors, and better viewing angles. Well, fret no more. According to reliable sources at Samobile, the whole LCD thing was a big typo. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 will indeed be rocking AMOLED panels on both the inside and the outside, just like its predecessor, the Z Flip 5. So what can you expect from the Z Flip 6 cover display? It'll likely be identical to the Z Flip 5's offering. That means a compact 3.4-inch diagonal with a familiar foldable phone shape. The refresh rate will stay at 60 Hz for now, even though some competitors are pushing higher refresh rates on their cover displays. It seems Samsung might be saving that upgrade for a future model. While the cover display might not be a revolutionary change, the Z Flip 6 is bringing the heat in other areas. Under the hood, you'll find the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, with choices of 8GB or 12GB of RAM for smooth multitasking. Camera lovers will be happy with the 50-megapixel primary rear shooter, and battery life should see a nice bump thanks to the increased 4000 mAh capacity, a 300 mAh jump from the Flip 5. On the software side, the Z Flip 6 will be fresh out of the box with Android 14 and Samsung's latest One UI 6.11. We can also expect some new Galaxy AI features that might eventually trickle down to older devices through software updates. The icing on the cake, Samsung has committed to a generous 7 years of software and security updates for both the Fold 6 and Flip 6, keeping your phone protected and running smoothly for years to come. The wait is almost over. Samsung is officially unveiling the Galaxy Z Flip 6 on July 10th in Paris. We're incredibly excited to see this phone in action and share our full thoughts with you. Stay tuned for our upcoming review. So that's all the latest on the Galaxy Z Flip 6. What are your thoughts on the AMOLED confirmation and the other upgrades? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech news and reviews. Today, we are diving into the latest buzz surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Buckle up, because this phone is shaping up to be a true game changer in the world of smartphones. Let's get into the juicy details. First off, Samsung seems laser focused on making the S25 Ultra the king of smartphones in 2025. The company appears to be using a two-pronged attack to achieve this, a monstrous camera system and mind-blowing performance upgrades. Let's start with the camera. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to stick with its familiar quad-camera setup, but with some serious enhancements. The main sensor will likely boast a hopping 200 megapixels, matching the S24 Ultra but optimized for the S25 Ultra's specific hardware, thanks to the new Snapdragon Agent 4 camera ISP. But that's not all. We're also looking at a 5x optical zoom lens with a 50 megapixel sensor, a brand new 3x optical zoom lens, also with a 50 megapixel sensor, and an ultra-wide angle lens getting a bump to 50 megapixels as well. These upgrades, particularly for the 3x zoom and ultra-wide sensors, are long overdue and promise to significantly elevate mobile photography. Now let's talk about performance. One of the most exciting rumors is the reintroduction of a fan-favorite feature, a 16GB RAM option. And not just any RAM, but the industry-first LPDDR5X RAM, capable of speeds up to a staggering 10.7 GePs. This translates to unparalleled performance for on-device AI, demanding tasks like cloud gaming, and much more. When you combine this insane RAM with the power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 processor, the S25 Ultra has the potential to be the absolute performance leader in the smartphone world. Speaking of the Agent 4, another reliable leak suggests it'll house the most powerful GPU ever seen in a smartphone. Benchmarks show prototypes running Genshin Impact at a smooth 1080 resolution and 60 FPS, a dream for mobile gamers. Currently, this popular game is capped at 720 on most phones, and maintaining a consistent 60 FPS is a struggle. Of course, with great power comes a potentially higher price tag. Rumors suggest the Snapdragon Agent 4 chip could inflate the price of the entire S25 series compared to its predecessor. Qualcomm has reportedly increased the cost of the Agent 4 significantly compared to the Agent 3. This leaves Samsung with a tough choice: raise prices across the board or potentially use the Exynos 2500 processor for the S25 and S25 Plus. reserving the mighty Agent 4 exclusively for the S25 Ultra. The Agent 4 itself is a whole new beast, built from the ground up using Qualcomm's Super Orion cores previously seen in their laptops. This chip has the potential to give the Galaxy S25 Ultra performance that rivals some Apple M series laptops. But wait, there's more. We also have hot rumors about the Galaxy S25 Ultra being equipped with the next generation of storage, UFS 4.1. Universal Flash Storage, or UFS, determines how fast your phone can access and store data. The latest and greatest version is UFS 4.0, which powers many current flagships, including the Galaxy S24. But the future is calling, and whispers suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra might be the first to sport UFS 4.1. While UFS 5.0 is expected around 2027, UFS 4.1 steps in as a minor yet significant upgrade. It's not a mind-blowing jump in raw numbers, but it's targeted to enhance specific areas like on-device AI features. Faster read and write speeds with UFS 4.1 will allow the phone to access data needed by AI algorithms much quicker, translating to smoother performance for features like scene optimization in your camera app, real-time language translation, and other background AI functions. So, what does this all mean? The Galaxy S25 Ultra, if equipped with UFS 4.1, is shaping up to be a powerhouse for AI enthusiasts. Faster data access, improved multitasking, and potential battery life improvements. That's a recipe for a future-proof phone ready to tackle demanding tasks. Of course, this is all based on rumors for now, but one thing's for sure, the future of smartphones looks increasingly intertwined with the power of AI, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with its potential UFS 4.1 upgrade, might just be at the forefront of that exciting evolution. So there you have it. What are your thoughts on the upcoming S25 Ultra? Are the camera upgrades exciting you? Can't wait for the return of 16 gigabytes RAM? Or is the potential power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 blowing your mind? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next one, guys. Until then, goodbye.